Good day everyone, and our experiment is called Go-Kart to Body Collision. The goal of this experiment is to observe what happens when two moving objects collide and to understand the principle of momentum conservation. So, for our materials, instead of toys, we just use a billiard balls. Now, we will perform two trials using different collision conditions to observe how momentum behaves. Now, for our first trial. Now, when the ball A collides with ball B, it transfers its momentum. We show how motion can be passed from one object to another. Now, for the trial 2, here, both ball exerts equal and opposite forces on each other, demonstrating Newton's third law that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. From our observations, we can see that momentum is not lost. It's simply transferred or shared between the two cars, or rather the ball. This demonstrates the law of conservation of momentum and Newton's third law of motion. The total momentum before and after a collision remains the same. Now, in reflection to this experiment, through this experiment, we learned that momentum is conserved during collision. The experiment also helped us understand how car crashes, billiard balls, and sports collision follow the same physical laws. It shows that every action has an unequal and opposite reaction. And that is all. Goodbye.